Welcome to our guide on pool water maintenance. Today, we're diving into the crucial topic of pH levels and their impact on your swimming pool. Understanding and maintaining the right pH balance is essential for a safe and enjoyable swimming experience. First, let's understand what pH is. pH measures the acidity or alkalinity of water on a scale from 0 to 14. A pH of 7 is neutral, below 7 is acidic, and above 7 is alkaline. For pool water, the ideal pH range is between 7.2 and 7.8. Keeping pH within this range is vital for pool health and swimmer comfort. What happens if the pH is too high? High pH levels above 7.8 can lead to several issues. 1. Irritation. Swimmers may experience itchy skin and burning eyes. 2. Scale formation. High pH can cause calcium and other minerals to form scale on pool surfaces and equipment. 3. Reduced chlorine effectiveness. Chlorine works best in a slightly acidic environment. High pH reduces its ability to kill bacteria and algae. On the flip side, low pH levels below 7.2 also pose risks. 1. Corrosion. Acidic water can corrode pool surfaces, metal fixtures, and plumbing, leading to costly repairs. 2. Skin and eye irritation. Just like high pH, low pH can cause skin and eye irritation, making swimming uncomfortable. 3. Rapid chlorine loss. Low pH can cause chlorine to dissipate quickly, reducing its effectiveness and leading to higher maintenance costs. Maintaining the right pH balance is key to preventing these problems. Here are some tips. 1. Regular testing. Test your pool water's pH at least twice a week using reliable test kits. 2. Adjusting pH. Use pH increasers or decreasers to adjust the pH to the ideal range. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for the correct dosage. 3. Consistent monitoring. Monitor other factors like total alkalinity and calcium hardness, as they influence pH stability. Keeping your pool's pH in the ideal range ensures a safe, comfortable, and enjoyable swimming environment. Regular testing and maintenance go a long way in preventing the risks associated with high or low pH levels. Thank you for watching, and happy swimming.